Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are off to the magical, enchanting world of Disneyland. Disneyland Paris, the world of make-believe. There's so much going on in the world now. You just want to escape, see something different, and just be free. And this is the place to do it. Let's go. Let's see how we act it, you guys.
Good morning, guys. Anyway, do we have time to talk while we're waiting on our taxi?
Yes. What
Stress. Turn off the light from up there, Jade.
What a morning it has been.
It's a very stressful morning. And night as well, because we haven't got any much sleep. But
Yeah.
Yep. Let's go. I'll talk to you later. When we're in the taxi or we get there. Yo. What are you doing? You know, we can turn it off here.
Turn up the light.
So dark out, they see.
That necklace.
As you can see there, guys, it's dark. Yes, waiting on our taxi. Nervously waiting on our taxi. It's almost 4 o'clock. And I'm whispering because I don't want to wake up the dogs.
Hello.
Okay, guys. It's been so crazy on the taxi guy. The taxi man was telling a bit of a story because they were late to pick us up.
Yes.
And he decided he was going to take the blame.
And I respect him for standing up for himself.
Because I was getting upset with him that he don't know. No, me say he was living in. Yes, but he was living close by. What I'm trying to say.
No, I know.
He was living close by, so he should be here, but he can't find it. Listen, guys. He doesn't want to do this fear. Like I don't want to do that fear. So there you go, early morning at Bristol Airport. And yeah. Let's see. Be tired, Kwong. They carry that bag there. Obviously, I wasn't even looking to see what's up. Did you see that you can't take the bag downstairs? That might come in handy. But I don't want to have extra luggage or extra luggage. Yeah, but anyway, that's a no-no, you know, because especially like 50, especially. So Jade is leading the way because tired is an understatement for me. I'm still very sleepy. Anyway, I'm speaking too bad on here, guys. I'll have to mute this. This is the stop. Yeah. So yeah.
We just went for security.
That is so stressful. So we're now going through, I think they extend the security part. Security, come up here, so I think I'm going to sit down here soon. Okay guys, I'm exhausted. But, oh no, where's my chain?
It's in your bag.
I just went in there a while ago and I leave the chain out. I'm going to take my chain out and come back to you.
You put your earrings on though.
Yeah.
I don't need to do it though.
I put my ring on. Yeah. So we're about to board, guys. And we're exhausted. Can we do this, Kwong? You have to stop way hot now, isn't it, Kwong? Yeah. I wait to cover your ball head. Anyway, I've got to unplug. Yeah, guys, so I think I'll get back to you when my brain is a little bit, yeah.
You have a chance to be refreshed and with less, you know,
Yeah.
Short taxi out, we'll be departing in a westerly direction. Making a right hand turn, heading east, southeast bound towards Paris. Looking to cruise today at an altitude of 25,000 feet, just shy of 1 hour's the flight time. I'll be doing flying some once on the cruise. I'll definitely get back to you. Further details will come up.
Please put your electronic devices in flight mode now so that you can use them throughout the flight. Put your laptop safely away in your bag, ready for takeoff. If any of your electronic devices become hot, damaged, or produce smoke, let us know immediately. If you're using a power bank, please monitor the device being charged. Charging vapes and other e-cigarettes is not permitted, and these must be switched off. You can now fasten your seatbelt.
There was a baby on the plane that screamed and bawled all the way through the flight. It just reminded me of when my children were little, but at least they didn't cry on the flight. Goodness me.
Hotels for you to choose from. Simply start a Disneyland holiday and start planning your next getaway. On behalf of your crew, we thank you for flying with us, and we look forward to welcoming you on board again.
Well, here we are. We're in Paris, guys. So come with us. No. Okay. When we get over the other side, we'll talk to you. So we are on our way to our hotel in this taxi here. We were planning on taking the train, but we chickened out of taking the train and said, hey, let's get a taxi. Oh my God. The good thing about it, it was a female, a black female, and I'm like, yeah, you go, girl. But guys, I tell you what, she wasn't playing. She was tearing up the motorway. I mean, like, girl, okay, put your brakes on, please. We arrived at our hotel. It was a quick check-in, but my goodness me, long, complicated, narrow hallway, guys. I wasn't too impressed at all. It was like a maze. So here we are, guys. And there's no light on here.
No light.
This is weird.
Wait, 3. Discarded?
Okay, let's see what's in here. We're going to sleep. We're going to sleep. I'm going to sleep right here, so. And we have 2 single bed here. Jade and I is going to sleep here. Yeah. We already messed the room up already, guys. But it's what it worked, guys. I try not to get too stressed about these things, because if you do, you never will actually, enjoy your holiday. And there is a wash basin there, face basin there, and this is the bath with shower. Yeah, it's what it is, guys. And yeah, basic and simple. The toilet is separate, so you have to come out from the bedroom to come to the toilet. Yeah. It's a 1-bedroom apartment. Yeah, I don't think it's that bad. I don't know, but I don't know. I'm just exhausted, really.
I don't know.
I think when you experience a place like Florida, you're just like, okay. But yeah, anyway, guys, this is the room. You got a little hot plate here, and I think you've got some fridge and stuff. The dishwasher and a little tiny fridge and a bin. And up here is some plates and stuff. Okay. Some pot up there. I don't know. Microwave. And things. So there you go. Sometimes you have to spend the money and get something what you want, really. Because I don't know. This does seem like something where somebody just. Some of us we can pull out that bed and see if that is thing there.
And then this is the TV.
And so this is well, this is 2 single bed. Can push away.
Yeah. That's good.
This is 2 single bed. And they have pillows and stuff here we can probably make up. But where is the thing, the sheet?
That's the fitness.
And the sheet is the thing there. And the bathroom. I don't know. Anyway, what can I say? Yes, guys, we're here and we're exhausted, and we're going to find something to eat. At least we don't do 3 days, guys. The taxi woman ripped me off. She tell me £100, and when she tell me she want 20 more pound. Thief. You know what I mean? I'm just like, I don't even know anymore. But anyway, I'm going to freshen up and yeah. You are not getting the money's worth these days, guys. You are paying a lot of money for nothing really. Yep. But as I said, we're here. We're just gonna be here for 3 days, 3 nights, and yeah. So I just want to just get on with it. Want to go to the mall, see what's there, and I don't know how this vlog is going to go, guys, because I'm feeling a little bit defeated. But never mind. You know, new experiences. At least I'm getting out and I'm living. I'm having an experience, and that's what it is. Normally I go to Florida for Disney World, but you know, Florida's far away and it's a lot of money to go to Florida these days. And yeah, we've never been to Disneyland Paris before, and so it's a new experience. So come along with me. Let me show you around Disneyland Paris. Y'all. So okay, yo guys, as you can see, I can show you my outfit finally. Finally I can show you my outfit. I did have a chance to show you my outfit when I was at home rushing. As you can see, my trainers that I got for Christmas, my green trainer is very comfy, guy. It's good for walking. Yeah, this top here was from Morrison, and I've got some tights on. Easy, you know, we want to travel, it's easy to drag on and go. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, I don't know.
Is it
It was a fine.
Okay.
Yeah. No, because it hasn't said it, isn't it? It hasn't said la. It hasn't said it.
We could have a look in there, see?
I understand. I don't think we're there yet. Never mind. So we are in this mall here, which is called Val d'Europe. I tell you what, this mall go on and on and on. It got several different wings and so many different entrances as well. We got lost a few times. Seriously, we were already tired. And so we are trying to make our way back to our hotel, and we just couldn't find our way back. We got lost, guys, in a mall. You can imagine that. It's like a maze.
Macaroons are French.
Jade is trying to find the perfect
You mean key ring?
key ring with Paris on it, I guess.
Because I want something that will still show the French flag, but then also like, you know, something emblematic of France. The Eiffel Tower. That's quite nice. But that is $375. What do you think?
We're in Paris in a store called, and look, Camellia. Look at that. It's so nice and green. Yep. Guys, we're in McDonald's, and you know, we were trying to be a little bit adventurous to try other things, but at least I got this fast food place here, so I guess because that was what was turning us off as to what we get something to eat.
Yeah. So we've got a few options.
I think I'll be better tomorrow. I'm a bit tired, so tomorrow. I'll get back to you tomorrow. But it's tomorrow we're supposed to go. You know what happened, guys? We are lost.
I don't know.
We were in this massive supermarket. I couldn't even film where I was in there because it was just too much. And then we are trying to get back to our hotel, and we took a wrong turn, and we and we are exhausted and tired, and yeah, we are lost. We are lost in France, in Paris. We are lost in Paris.
That's a song, you know.
We are lost in Paris. So okay guys, we are at the end now where we're supposed to be, and this is no picnic. It is exhausting, and the funniest thing about it, it's a nice breeze. I guess it's going to get cold later on though.
Yeah.
But it's a nice
very
weather.
Nice weather.
Yeah.
I am
nice
very
weather.
happy.
I'm glad it's not raining, and also it's not freezing cold. But anyway, as I say, I'm exhausted, so see you at the apartment, yo, my friends. We went back home and have a little kip, and we're back out again, guys. We're not going to stay long because we have to get up early in the morning.
Yes.
Off to this Disney World, huh? Paris?
Disneyland Paris.
Disney World, Disneyland.
Disney World is America. I think
Oh.
Disneyland is Paris.
Oh, there you go.
That's quite.
So
very
yeah,
interesting.
it looks really pretty at night.
Beautiful.
Yeah, it
And
kind of reminds me of Tenerife, really.
Yeah.
Before Tenerife, I get run down. I look at this, the bucket is empty, but at least it's packed nicely
Yes.
there.
It's not all over the place.
Yeah. So yeah. So there you go, guys.
And they've got the daffodils brewing through, you know.
Hopefully I'll be in a better state tomorrow to do a bit more vlogging.
Yes, I think.
More likely to
Get
post
some
something from my phone than
Yeah.
the camera, really, because the camera have to go and produce it and all of that. As you can see here, guys, it's at night. All the restaurants are open and people are just having a merry time in Paris. Yeah. Yo. That's Jay there.
Hello, my apple juice.
So, this is the following day. We had a really good night's sleep. We are really refreshed now, ready to enjoy this world of make-believe. So yeah, let's go. Let's
There we
do
are,
this.
guys. We're here.
We're in Disneyland. Hello. Can you see?